Hello, I'm just showing off a little thing I did. This is a game, I guess, where you're really tiny, but you're really fast, yeah. Yep. And I'm just testing out this destruction here. The idea is that you're going to be able to charge into buildings and break them, right? So we got this blue building here that's going to shatter when I hit this button. Yeah. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And so right now it's pretty broken. Since all of these massive chunks weigh exactly 1 kilogram each, I'm pretty sure. So I can just... And so they'll do that. Which is pretty sick. Oh heck, I liked. It's not the this, it's my computer is all. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Thanks for sticking out. See ya.